So having the arts involved is something that I think makes a big difference in the way they can approach themselves and problem solving and just putting them back on track. There's so many great stories. Like I have students that keep in contact and where they were and to where they're going now and what they're up to, and they have families and they have children, and sometimes you laugh because these students were just off the wall in your classroom, and then that these things that you've done maybe make a difference, or and I'm just so honored always to have them still connect with me after so many years. They still say hello, or they wish you a happy birthday, or you say, hey, I just had a son or daughter. So these are wonderful things. But I was speaking with another colleague yesterday about a student who was a Mohawk student, and at Lakeside Academy. I met him through this program, and he was a unique character, and he was often bullied by a lot of students, for the way he looked. He was a big guy. He was a big scrapping guy, and he was a sweetheart. And he had this beautiful just way about him. And working with him one on one, I got to know who he was, what his interests are. We did photography together. We talked a lot about how he expressed himself, about how his experiences were, in the school, and how difficult he found it. And so, like those, when we say at risk, it doesn't necessarily mean that they always have a problem, like where where they might be bullying somebody else, but they're often, when we say at risk, those are students who are bullied themselves, and we